Hi, I'm Landon. Right now we're standing in Founders Hall, which was the first building that opened on campus before any of the dorms. Founders Hall has a number of classrooms, including the one behind me, which is the Library Study Center. Founders Hall also has the registrar's office and the library, which is located in the basement.
Hi, I'm Kate, and welcome to the Patrick Henry Library. What you'll notice behind me is our course reserves. And on our course reserves, we keep all the textbooks necessary to supplement materials for students' classes. These books can be checked out for 2 hours, and in addition to the books required for classes, there are other supplemental materials such as research books for specific classes like economics or strategic intelligence courses. And speaking of research assistants, we have 2 other resources in our library that are extremely helpful for students in the research process. Our first research assistance tool is our library console. The library console is a digital resource where students can access our one-of-a-kind academic research technology. Secondly, our head librarian is available to speak with students about their research topics and papers. The advantage of Patrick Henry being a small college is that our head librarian is familiar with the professors, their courses, expectations, and materials, so they're especially equipped to help students get exactly where they need to be. Our library is also home to a number of journals and articles, including student publications, everything from our very own Herald to issues in public policy, classical liberal arts, and intelligence. In our general collection, students also have access to over 40,000 print books. And in addition to those books, we have over 300,000 volumes available to students online. On top of those books, both ebook and physical, we also have a number of online journals, databases, and articles that students can employ for any of their classes. While the library is a great, quiet place to study, students can also go upstairs to receive peer tutoring, one of the many reasons the Patrick Henry Library is one of my favorite places to study. Thanks for joining me.